Hi, my name is Catherine Wendt with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about Microsoft 365 and specifically Teams, the Teams app. So back in the fall of 2020, we ran a webinar specifically focused on Microsoft 365, what it is and isn't, the core features, the various apps that are on there, many useful tools, and it's quite an extensive platform. So we were trying to boil it down to some top features and give you an introduction to it. In subsequent months and in subsequent issues of our newsletter and webinars that we're offering, we're going to focus on some of those individual apps. And today what I wanted to share with you is a little bit about Teams. There's quite a bit more on our website, or check out our newsletter so you can read up a little bit more. But here are a few ticklers for you. So for us in 2021, our focus for ourselves and our clients is moving from our hosted Exchange and some of our other tools like Slack and things that we've been using over to the Microsoft 365 platform. And we have made the switch to Teams. So that's worked out really well, and it is definitely a growing app for our clients across the board, no matter what vertical market they're in, but especially construction. In fact, many clients and vendors are actually requiring our clients to have Teams available and to join Teams meeting, especially since the pandemic hit almost a year ago. So why use Teams? I've got a few little things for you. Chat. Whether you're in a meeting or not, you can use the chat feature over Teams. Saves a lot of time. And it could save you money if you're paying for a different chat program. You can connect from anywhere on any device. Your cell phone, it works really well there. A laptop, workstation, lots of different ways to get to Teams. You can connect specific team members into small channels and smaller teams. So if you've got people who are in a particular department, or perhaps they're working on a particular project, you can have people in that team. Through the Teams, you can also view and share documents, Excel, Word, and other kinds of documents together, and even work on them live in an interactive format. Another kind of fun thing I've seen a lot of people using is the fun backgrounds. So whether you have a messy office or you just like to have a little bit of fun, there's some great background images that'll pull up right behind you no matter where you are, and you can have fun with that. You can use Teams as part of a Microsoft 365 subscription. So if you're already using 365, you already have Teams. So it might save you some money on some other apps that you're using, and you might as well give it a try. It's really easy to get started. So there are a lot of other features on this, and so I would encourage you to check out our newsletter. We've got a specific page, and each and every month we're running specifically one of those different apps on the 365 product. We're also holding various webinars, and feel free to check out some of the ones we've already recorded. So I hope that whets your appetite. I hope you find that interesting, and if you have any questions, you know where to find us. And for now, thanks for your time, and have a great rest of your week.